Hey guys, let's see how to fix your projector not connecting to your iPhone via Wi-Fi. So basically, when I come here to the iPhone, here on the right side, I have the option to mirror the iPhone. So here, when I select mirroring, you see that I have different options available, MacBook, and I have also here bedroom, but I don't have the projector here available, okay? So the first thing that I need to try is just come here and look for the option that allows me to connect with Wi-Fi, okay? So here I just get the remote control, and I'm coming to the apps back there, and here you see that I have this option for Miracast that works with Android devices, and here I have the option for Cast. That one works with iPhone, okay? So it loads this app. You see here that I just need to press the button to start projecting the screen. And here are the information on how we can connect. Basically, you just need to connect to the same network, open the screen mirroring, and click on it, right? If I come back here to my phone, you see that I already have the option available back there. Okay, so I just tap on it, and it's going to connect. So it takes some time, and you take a look back there, still connecting, and there we go. Now it's working. Let me just approach here so you see it's working and it's mirroring. Right? Another thing that can happen here is that if you have the different network, you don't have the same network available. You see it changes here to Apple TV as well. So let me just come back here and disconnect one more time. And by the way, I'm using this model here, right? Sometimes you don't have the option available on your projector. I'm using this one. This one works pretty fine with iPhones and Android. I will leave the link here in the description, right? So back here, I'm just disconnect to see that I still have it connected back there. So I come here and I stop mirroring. There we go. So it's back to the screen, waiting for the connection. But something that I need to check as well is here the network. Let me just come here to my Wi-Fi, and you see that my cell phone is connecting to this Wi-Fi here. My Wi-Fi-24. Let's say that I'm using a different Wi-Fi, this one for example. So I have more than one device here to connect my phone to. Back here you see that I have this router, that's the main router. So this has a signal that my phone can connect to. The projector can connect to the Wi-Fi here as well. And I have this repeater with a different signal. So right now I'm just connecting my cell phone to this repeater, you see here. That's connecting to Max-24. And if I come here to my projector again with the remote control, the main screen, I see here the option to check the network. And here on network, you see that's connected to my Wi-Fi-24. So they're connected now to different networks. So either you need to change here to connect to the repeater, or you need to come here to your cell phone and change the cell phone to connect to the main router. So if you have more than one device, like I have here, my router and my repeater, just need to make sure that both are connected to the same network. Now I have my Wi-Fi-24 here, and I have my Wi-Fi-24 here as well. Now it should work. Let me just come back here to the main screen. And one more time here to apps. I come to Cast, and you see that even there's information here to check the network. It needs to be to the same network, connected to the same network. Then you can just screen mirroring, right? Well, I'm just come back, and I come here to screen mirroring, tap on it, and I have the option here available. It has this name, right? But later it changes to Apple. So it's connecting, you see back there. There we go. Connected, and it's working, right? And it works pretty fine, okay? So basically that's the way you can fix the problem with your projector not connecting to your iPhone via Wi-Fi. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.